Alright, so hey hello guys, what's up everybody, it's your Ranjit Gautam and back to again in this video. Hey dude, and I hope you all are good and improving English by a funny way. And dude, do you really want to speak English confidently? If yes, so this video is perfect for you. Okay. And dude, if you are new in this channel and if you haven't subscribed, so please subscribe and let's begin. So dude, and first of all dude, see, there is a rainy season and it's raining today and it's raining now also. Yeah dude, you can see there are some drops of in my hand and in my hair also. So let's start. As you heard that this topic is, we will talk about today why I like to learn English, why I love to learn English. Yeah dude, and why you love to learn English. So please dude, first of all write in the comment section why you are learning English. Okay, so as you know, many people want to gain job. Okay, so English increase our job opportunities. Yeah, you are heard right. Many people are learning English because of they can gain a good job, and it's build you it's build your confidence. You can easily talk with any person in English without any fear. Okay, if you are learning, if you are speaking in front of camera, in front of mirror, okay, so you can easily talk with other person in English. So dude, this build your confidence. Okay, and you can easily and you dude, you can easily speak, you can easily write, okay, in English, and this helps me to write in writing. Okay, this helps me very much in writing time, because earlier I was not able to write in English. Okay, but now I am practicing every day with consistent, and now I can write anything, whatever I to write in study time. So I can write whenever I see any question in English. I am in 12th grade dude, so whenever I see any question, that time I can make any sentences and I write with my own mind. Okay dude, so dude, this is very beneficial for all of us if we are learning English, and this helps you in exam time, in entrance exam. If you want to, if you are preparing, like suppose if you are preparing for UPSC, for NDA, many more exams are here, so this will help you a lot. Okay dude, and this is very easy dude. Okay, and as you know, this is an international language, so this will connect you with foreign countries people. Okay, you will easily talk with foreign countries people, with foreigners. Okay, you can easily talk with them, and this will connect you with them if you know English. And if you know if you don't know English, so how you will speak, how you will talk with them. Okay, so behind it, this was the big reason. Okay, okay dude, so dude, that was the reason to learn English, why I learn English. And whenever I talk with any person in English, so that time I feel proud on me. Okay dude, that time I feel very proud on me, because I am speaking in English. Okay, speaking is very must for all of us. If we are speaking in front of you, and in the village side, okay, in village area, if you are speaking in front of people like villagers, okay, so they will say that he is very educated person. He is very like I am speaking, suppose, okay, in front of villagers, so they will say that Ranjit is very educated. He is very educated. So like that, so they will appreciate you. Okay, so this thing is very, this talk is very big for a villager, that he is speaking in English. Okay, but currently I am living in Panipat. Okay, dude. And dude, so that was the reason behind it, that why I was learning English. Sorry, why I am learning English, why I am learning English, and why I love to learn English. Okay, so that was the reason. And why you want to learn English, why you are learning English, write in the comment section. I also want to know that why you are learning English, why you are watching my videos, and why you are supporting me. Okay, and support, dude, I need your support. If you will support, so I will gain motivation from you, that there are many people who will support me, who want to grow English, who want to learn English, improve English, and grow with me. Okay, dude, so that was the reason. And dude, I have heard a word, a big word. That was yeah, that was, sorry dude for background noise, sorry for that, sorry. So that was the word, that name is yes, fluoxetinoxyinhilipification. Do you know about it? What is the meaning? And if you know, so write in the comment section. Again, fluoxetinoxyinhilipification. Now learn about it. Break it into some pieces, like floxy, then noxy, inhilipilification. Fluoxetinoxyinhilipification. So this is the word. Okay. Second word I have heard, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. 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 Okay, and its meaning is super duper, very good. Okay, dude, super duper, extreme level, good. Okay, so it was the meaning. This was the meaning. And did you know about it? If you know, so write in the comment section that I knew about it. Okay, dude, so that's all for today. And it's raining this time also. This is raining from morning time. Yeah, it is raining from morning time. So dude, there is the field are fulfilled with water. Yeah, you can see behind me. And the nature is very beautiful. There are fog, you can see behind me. Yeah, so that's all for today, and I hope you all very happy, and you have watched this video till the end, and you like. So if you like, so don't forget for like, share, subscribe. Okay, dude, so that's all for today, and I will meet in my next video. So bye bye for this time.